Hello friends, myself Mohit and I am going to dictate you Steno legal matter. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more dictations. So be ready for the dictation. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start.
Therefore, the High Court opined that the sale deeds, sale exemplars produced as exhibits P3 and P4 are not genuine. Stop. That thereafter, relying upon and considering the sale exemplar sale deed produced as exhibit R12, the High Court has partly allowed the appeals and enhanced the amount of compensation to rupees 7 lakh per acre. Hence, the present appeals are at the instance of the original landowners. Stop. Having heard the learned counsel appearing on behalf of the respective parties and having gone through the impugned common judgment and order passed by the High Court and the reasoning given by the High Court discarding the sale exemplars, sale instances produced as exhibits P1, P3 and P4, we are of the opinion that the High Court has committed a very serious error in discarding the sale instances, sale exemplars produced as exhibits P3 and P4. Stop. The High Court has not properly appreciated the fact that so far as the sale deed exhibit P1 is concerned, the same was executed by Messrs. Orient Express Private Limited in favor of a private person, and on the other hand, the sale deeds exhibits P3 were executed in favor of Messrs. Orient Express Private Limited. Stop. Therefore, when after purchasing the land, a company had sold the land, the prices are bound to be higher. Stop. Merely because the sale deeds were by and or in favor of the company and there was variation in the prices mentioned in the exhibits P1, P3 and P4 cannot be a ground to hold that the sale exemplars exhibits P4 and P5 are not genuine and therefore acquired to be discarded. Stop. In view of the above, it will be safe to rely upon and or consider the sale deeds produced as exhibits P3 and P4. Stop. However, at the same time, considering the fact that the sale deeds produced as exhibits P3 and P4 are with respect to the smaller parcel of land, there has to be a proper deduction on the ground of smaller area of the land and development. Stop. Looking to the location and the potentiality of the lands acquired, and as the acquired lands were required to be used for liquefied petroleum gas plant, not much development was required like the housing scheme and or as acquired for other smaller purposes. Therefore, if 35% is deducted considering the evaluation with respect to sale deed at exhibit P4, the same can be said to be just, reasonable and proper compensation to the original landowners. Stop. Therefore, the original landowners shall be entitled to rupees 12,16,800 per acre towards compensation for the lands acquired. Stop. To aforesaid extent, the impugned common judgment and order passed by the High Court is required to be modified. Stop. In view of the above and for the reasons stated above, all these appeals succeed in part. Stop. The impugned common judgment and order passed by the High Court is hereby modified, and it is observed and held that the original landowners shall be entitled to the compensation. Stop.